candidates into your production number. Papa!
Si Rina. Doon, si Rina. Wow, Rina.
Mga guwapa sa ating mamis. Hey! Ibalik ang car sa ilang production. Hey mga mamis. Muna sila ito mga 8 lovely candidates. Mga hot. Go! Sayaw! Once again on stage, our 8 lovely candidate. Takpak with more. Thank you so much, 8 lovely candidates in your production number. Okay, so now we will proceed to introduce yourselves. Candidate number 1, please move forward.
Mana hat mama?
I would like to introduce myself. I'm Louise Vendedor. Entering this event blurs by Hot Mama! I'm still hot. Yeah.
Thank you so much, mommy number 1. Let's proceed to candidate number 2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Maria Lourdes Llanos Maestro, 38 years old. Mapasigaw usa ka inahan sa unang kapanganaw. And I honor to be here tonight representing CTUC Kanay Guadalupe!
Thank you so much, mama number 2. Now, let's proceed to our mama number 3.
Happy ako'y translate. Dapat palihan no, manggabi ko no sa tanan. Let's proceed to our candidate number 4.
God precious, 22 years old, proudly represent Sitio Tumane, Labangon, Cebu City!
Number 5.
not just work in our but also in our heart. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Special judges, good evening. This is Rocala Nuhan Carrero, 25, a mother of two. Loud and proud to represent Barangay Pisa. Again, this is your candidate number 5 saying, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the show. Happy Fiesta! See you on tonight!
Number 6. Okay, before we proceed to our number 6, we'd like to acknowledge the president of our VIP guest, one of our major sponsors. Yes.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jessa Nagas Magulbay, 17, proudly representing Lansalek!
Sakit kamay! Medyo mo'y kamay! Kung inyong bana na ibuni, tambalig a city, tangtang ang buni, kagid ang mupuli. Ayong gabi, love sex, my name is Sheila Jane Alonso, 21 years. Wait. Iba lang isang kataga. Sa'yo mo lang gumang gawas-awas. Kumpas mo ang labas. Kay way kapalit ang bugasing. Ay, thank you!
Let's proceed to our
Candidate number
number 8.